Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can post anonymously on Facebook group on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, first of all, simply open up your Facebook app, and right over here make sure you're signed in with the correct account where you would like to simply post anonymously. Then afterwards, go ahead, tap on this profile icon in the bottom right, and now you're simply gonna go ahead, choose a group for yourself. Go ahead, go to your group section if you have one, or you can simply go to suggestion and simply tap on that group of yours. Now once you have accessed the group, tap on the group name, and there we go. Now scroll a bit down and tap on this write something option, and here you're gonna simply write down your message, whatever for now. For example, this is it, and then you will see this option of post anonymously on top. Turn that on. You can see admin moderators and Facebook system can see your name and profile photo. Details you include in an anonymous post could reveal identity. Protect your privacy, we turned off some options. Now tap on got it. Now all you gotta do is tap on post option on top, and your post will be posted in the groups board, and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.